Hey guys, we're going to continue working on this lawnmower. That's the foiler back there if you can't tell. Yeah, I'm going to try taking the steering wheel off. If I can get it go, if I get the bar to drop down far enough, I think I can use a washer to put over it. Then I just got to figure something to hold the washer into place and it'll hold it forwards. And then I can put the steering wheel back on and stuff like that. But I got to get the bolt off, which the thing that I'm using, it helps. It's a ratchet wrench that's bent at an angle. It's what I got. Well, it's not mine, it's my cousin's. Anyways, I'm gonna move the tire back and maybe I can find something here to post you up on while I'm doing this. Sorry if the angles are getting a little wonky. I'm holding it. And again, I forgot my camera stand. So I'm gotta figure something else out. How to hold y'all. Maybe that'll work. Alright, let me get the camera. I'm going right there. You can see some of the tool that I'm using. And I want to see, can I mount y'all right here? Got to balance y'all. See, there we go. Alright, can you see? Yeah, you might be able to see that right there. That's what I'm trying to do. Use the steering wheel to... Nope, that's as far as it's going. Oh, gotta hold the right bolt. There's that. Here's the bolt. Here's that. The deal. Anyways, now can it fall through? Not at all. I'm recording. Alright, let me get you in here a little bit. Where's the camera at? Yeah, you can see right there what I'm dealing with. Yeah, gotta get something down around that hole. Yeah, see that hole right there where that bar is going down through? I gotta get something around that to get it to stay forwards, or right there around that and keep it forwards. And I have an idea and I'm going to see if that'll work. Hopefully it does, that way I can mow grass. But yeah, since I ain't got my camera stand and, well, setting it up like that's a little weird, I'm gonna just go ahead and hop off of here. So just let me know what y'all think. If y'all gonna have, let me know what y'all think about this, and if you guys have any ideas on what can hold that. Keep in mind, I do not have a welder, because I could just put a washer over it and just bzz, and be done with it. Or just fill in the hole. Get it up where I need it and fill the hole in. That would do it. So, let me know what y'all think. If y'all know something. And I already said that 3 times. Anyways, I'm going to sign off here before my brain goes to frying too bad. So, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, stay weird.